In this video, we're going to learn why it's so important to have a dash cam. Let's roll the clip. So this lady's making a right turn very slowly, very cautiously. She seems very unconfident and ends up going onto the curb. At this point, we know there are no more cars taking a left turn onto this lane. So our driver here did have the chance to slip out to safety and get out of this person's way, because whenever someone's doing things like this and they seem very unconfident or driving onto a curb, it's probably best to get out of the way. Safest bet too. But for whatever reason, our driver here decided to stay, and as soon as the reverse lights come on, I mean, you could pretty much expect what would happen. The thing with this is that even though this driver, she backed into our driver here, it's very easy to lie to insurance and say that she got rear-ended and that she wasn't at fault. And if you hit someone from behind, it's most likely that you're going to be held at fault, because who would be backing up in the street? According to our driver, this driver over here, she tried to lie about it. So if our driver here didn't have it on dash cam, insurance probably would have sided with this driver, even though she was 100% in the wrong. This is why it's always important to have a dash cam. If you don't have one, pick one up today. There are links in the description box below. If someone you know doesn't have one, get one for them today. Let's all be safe, we're responsible drivers.